All right, I'm pretty excited here. I'm on Redbubble. I've got a brand new store. I've uploaded a few designs, and now I'm going to see if I can search for it. So here's a design that I created. It's called The Legend Has Retired Funny Retirement Darwin. Okay, so I'm going to go in now and see if I can search for it. So I'll go on to Redbubble, and I'll type in my search phrase. And it says nothing matches your search. Man, what a rip. So I'm going to go into my account over on the right hand side, and I'm going to go into account settings. And when I go into account settings, you're going to see edit payment details. My shop is not set up. So that means when I go into my store, I've actually got like no storefront. I don't even have an option. So normally you'd go into your store, but here it says sell your art instead. Hey, let's get ready. Create, set up shop. So you'll notice here, I've not set up my payment details yet. So what that means is that if I go into my account portfolio, manage portfolio, I can purchase these items myself, but I can't sell them. I actually don't have these listed for sale. I don't have a storefront. I don't even have an option for it. So you have to make sure if you're new on Redbubble to go in here, click on your account settings, and make sure that you edit your payment details. Quick little tip there for you. And once you do that and your shop becomes visible, then you'll be able to search for products or designs. I'll show you what I mean. I'm actually going to search for my name of my store. So I've got, as you saw in my portfolio, here I've got my shop. It says 8 designs, but I can't see any of them. And the reason for that is because I don't have my store activated. So make sure if you're new that you go into account settings and go into this where this little exclamation mark is edit payment details. I hope that helps, guys. Quick little tip there for you.